We'll give it some air so you can see what the unit's all about, clearing out. This is Gray Rhino. You're going away, hotel vacation, whatnot, in your kitchen, in your basement, in the garage, anywhere that you need to know about the humidity, carbon monoxide, and so forth. This product we're going to unbox and show you what it's all about. We have an instruction guide in multiple languages. Peel off the sticker that's on the front of the unit. This is the product. For regional areas, you have a locking mechanism that you would release and spin off the top and replace for the zone, universal. The unit has an audible sound of 80 dB to warn you about your carbon monoxide, temperature, and humidity. About 127, the unit will go off. Allow the unit to air to reset. We're going to plug this in and show you what the unit looks like. With the buttons facing down to the floor, simply find the outlet, plug in. The screen acknowledges 000. Each of the icon has a description. It can be found online as well as the manual. You have a green LED indicator that tells you the unit is on. In order to dim down and brighten up the screen, we have 3 settings. This is off, low, high. We want to test the unit. This is a speaker. These are the breathing areas. Hit the button. And you heard the alarm test. We are at 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 48% humidity in the air. We have a volume button. On the screen, we have a volume button, X. This button here, and over here, when you press it once, you have your speaker on and muted. This is your test button again. We're going to demonstrate carbon monoxide and show you how the unit will alarm you. Give you a nice look at the screen. You can see the display of the humidity, the temperature, the alarm, the volume, the brightness, and the amount of carbon monoxide in the house. For your travel needs, a portable carbon monoxide, humidity, and temperature unit. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for your travel needs or the house needs, with a nice large display ran by AC voltage. Enjoy your product of the Gray Rhino carbon monoxide alarm system.